Hello everyone, this is Jenny from iDisplay, and today I'm going to introduce you our Unity during ISE. And this product is for specially designed for window face screen and also for storefront. The difference of this product is that it can be used for front and rear surveys, and especially for window face screen, there is limited space in the front, as well as this panel can have different dimensions. So as you can see, you can make it into a special shape as you want. Yeah. Okay. And this one is also with rotatable modules. Each one unit is rotatable, so which means you can make sure the module direction is always facing upside down. Even you rotate the cabinet, so which will make sure the performance of the quality, the LED quality. Yes. Okay. If you want to learn more about our product Unity, then you can visit it www.iDisplayLED.com. Thank you.